I recently had the opportunity to try out the small portable washing machine, and I must say, it exceeded my expectations. This compact washing machine is designed for individuals living in apartments, traveling, or camping, and it offers a convenient solution for washing small items such as underwear, baby clothes, or other delicate garments. First and foremost, the high capacity of 6.5L is impressive considering the size of the machine. It can accommodate a surprising amount of laundry, making it suitable for individuals or small families. The compact design makes it easy to store and transport, which is a huge plus for those who frequently move around or have limited space. One of the standout features of this portable washing machine is the availability of 3 different cleaning modes. These modes allow you to customize the washing process based on the type of garments you're washing. Whether you need a gentle wash for delicate fabrics or a more vigorous clean for heavily soiled items, this machine has you covered. The deep cleaning capability of this mini washer is quite impressive. Despite its small size, it manages to deliver thorough cleaning results. I found that it effectively removed dirt and stains from my clothes, leaving them fresh and clean. The machine utilizes a combination of water and detergent to provide a reliable cleaning performance. Another aspect worth mentioning is the foldable design. This feature makes it incredibly convenient for travel or storage. When not in use, you can simply fold it up and tuck it away, saving valuable space. It's perfect for those who are constantly on the go or have limited room in their living spaces. In terms of usability, the small portable washing machine is fairly straightforward. It features user-friendly controls and a clear display that allows you to select the desired mode and adjust the timer accordingly. The machine operates quietly, which is a bonus for those living in shared spaces or small apartments. While the overall performance of this portable washing machine is excellent, there are a couple of minor drawbacks worth noting. Firstly, the washing cycles can take a bit longer compared to traditional washing machines. This is understandable given its compact size, but it's something to keep in mind if you're in a hurry. Additionally, the drainage system could be improved to make it more efficient. In conclusion, the small portable washing machine is a fantastic option for individuals or small families who require a compact and versatile laundry solution. Its high capacity, deep cleaning capabilities, and foldable design make it a convenient choice for apartments, camping, or travel. Despite a few minor limitations, it delivers reliable performance and offers excellent value for the price. I highly recommend it to anyone in need of a portable washing machine for their small-scale laundry needs.